Dr. Laitman, I wanted to share something amazing. I read that people who live in nature hear how nature sings, and it stunned me. The animals, plants, the wind, what are they singing about? About love, about connection, about the good life. We don't feel it, but were we to feel nature, we'd hear it. The trees, the bushes, the grass, birds, animals, even the wind. We'd feel that they're singing about the good in the world. Were we not to corrupt nature? What do we need to do in order to hear all of this beauty? We simply need to understand the general mechanism of nature and to turn it towards the better by turning ourselves. And it's not a problem. It's something that you can see very quickly on our level, on the human level. If we change, then you'll see all of nature is calming down, and there's peace, wholeness, and perfection. And then we'll be able to hear nature, to hear its inner force, which speaks only of mutual consideration, and the wolf shall dwell with the lamb.